Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to try acrylic pouring kit in the brand fevicryl. So when we open the kit, you'll get a leaflet and which has some instructions. And you'll get three colors in it. One is yellow, black and coral red. These three colors are included, and you also get pouring medium, three pouring mediums, and you also get one silicone oil. So we'll see how it works. For this pouring paint you need a pepper cups and ice cream scoops and one canvas board. Here I am placing these paper cups below my canvas so that it will be very easy while pouring. Now I am taking coral red, yellow and black. This preparation part is very important. They have given 2 is to 1 ratio, 2% of color and 1% of pouring medium. So I am doing the same. I am using a pink color which is optional. So we have to mix it very well. It should not be very thick or thin. It should be little in pouring consistency. Now I am adding 2 to 3 drops of silicone oil. It helps to give cells to the painting. How much you add will get that much cells. But don't add too much. I'm just adding 2 to 3 drops, which is enough. So mix it well, and preparation was done and ready to start painting. Here I'm giving an outline for reference. I'm just using a pencil for this. It is not seen in the camera, but I have drawn very lightly. So now we are starting. So now I'm starting with red color. I just pouring only on the right side, not on the left side, because I have drawn a face, so it should not come out of that face. I'm pouring this red randomly. Pouring painting doesn't have any restriction to do this or not that. Only the preparation is very important and you can enjoy the painting. That's it. So now I'm adding yellow color, pouring randomly. You can play with colors. I'm adding few drops of pink just to give a little shade of pink. That's it. You can add any color, but you have to mix a pouring medium to the acrylic color. So beautiful, right? So I'm pouring all the colors. Here I'm moving the color into right side because it should not come to that left part. So I'm adding all colors randomly here. Now it's time to add black. Make sure not to mix with other colors. I have not added any oil in this, like silicone oil. I have not added in black. I have added in other colors. Just pour near the face, but not, it should not come out of the face. You can move your canvas. This is a swipe method. You need an OHP sheet. Just swipe it down. See, you can see the cells are coming out. Look at this, how beautiful it is. It's just magical. I love it and having fun too. Actually, here I'm swiping many times, but no need to swipe many times. You can swipe one or twice is fine. Look at how beautiful, and you can see the cells are coming out. Here I'm using a straw for blowing this. You can use blowtorch or something to get more cells. I don't have blowtorch, but I'm using this straw for this, so that inside some colors will be there. It will come out of this. So I'm adding the remaining black color. Make sure it should not come out of that. Anybody can paint this. Here I'm using a palette knife. Don't use any brush. Just give a basic shape. No need to give a proper shape. After once it dried, you can give shape to this. Now it's liquid enough. Don't move your canvas at all. It should be placed in the flat surface and dry it for 24 hours. Don't dry it on the sun. And once it has done, you place under the fan or something. So after 24 hours, this is the final look. See, you can see the small cells. It was beautiful. I just love it. It came out with a beautiful look. I just love it. If you're going to try, just try this. All the best. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.